Boolean searching is something that as a health sciences student, you will definitely want to start using for any of your research. If you're searching through databases that contain millions of articles, some of these Boolean terms will definitely help you narrow down your search and find results that are actually pertinent to what you need. So as librarians, we use these all of the time, and they're actually really, really simple. Once you start practicing with them and start experimenting a little bit, you'll see that these simple words are actually very powerful. So the three words that are keys to creating a really great search string are and, or, and not. So and or are probably the two major terms that we use most often. The right-hand side of the screen, I think these two graphics display the differences between and or. I think it's probably pretty self-explanatory, but the and just means that the results will include terms from both of the, will include search results from both of the terms, and the or phrase will include results from either one of the terms. And so the cool thing about these two phrases is that you can use them together in the same search string. All you have to do is include parentheses, and this works very much like basic arithmetic, how you solve all of the math equations that are included inside of the parenthesis, and then you move to outside of the parentheses. And so it works very much the same way. This phrase right here, the search engine will interpret either exercise therapy or exercise training and include that with anything matching diabetes as well. And the not term is just a very simple way to tell the database that you don't want something that includes a specific term or phrase that you have notated on your search string. So in this case, building off of the search string that we have above, we've used the or and the and we want to make sure that we have diabetes, but not something that's just hypertension. The not term is something that is useful if you find that your basic search string using or and just is returning a lot of results that are perhaps only tangentially related to your topic or are too specific for what you're wanting. Then the not term just helps you take those out of your search string altogether.